with our after-school programs, we have to pay attention to what the needs are of the children around us.
I think for kids today, learning and coding and robotics, really with the economy and how the economy is changing, if the kids don't have a basic skill, I'm just not sure how competitive they're going to be in the future. An area of focus with our new strategic plan, one of the legs of our strategic plan is academic achievement with technology focus. You can hear it in the background, that's probably why it's a little loud. There is an opportunity for the Y to work with Rex to really meet some needs going forward. Sandy, the CEO that I met with, I was struck by the comment she said that coding is reading and writing for the future generation. And that really resonates when you think about how basic that reading and writing is, what that means for coding going forward. With as many lives as the Y touches, this is something we should be a part of.